Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdiva29. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with a Target Dollar Spot haul. I did haul a few Valentine's goodies, so I wanted to jump on and share what I picked up. Alright, so the first thing that I picked up were these gift bags, and it's a 2 count. Really cute, and they were only $1. I picked up the photo props, and you get 10 of these. And let me show you what it looks like. It comes like this, and I just took it out of the package. But you get all these different cute little photo props, and I figured that this would be cute to stick in like a loaded bag, or even taking it off the stick and using it as an embellishment. So these are really fun. Look at the Be Mine, and then the cute little heart sunglasses, and then this one is X Heart, XO. And that one says Besties. Oh, I love that one. And it's lavender, like purple, really pretty. Then there's the arrow. And then you get some champagne and cocktail glasses. And I love that one with the little heart. How cute is that? So I picked up that. Really fun find. And that was $3. I did pick up one mug. I picked up the Love. And I love the soft color. And I'll probably use this as decoration in my kitchen for Valentine's Day. And that was $3 as well. Really pretty. I did pick up one coin purse, and it looks like that. And I figured this would be really cute to give to somebody in Happy Mail. And I just love the little scalloped on the bottom. It's really pretty. And they only had one, and that was $3 as well. And then I did pick up a couple of trims. I picked up the pom-pom trim and the white puffy heart trim. I couldn't resist. I'm sure I have plenty of trim, but I just couldn't resist, so picked those two up. And then I did pick up one bowl. I picked up the conversational heart bowl, and it looks like this. And I love the bright colors, and I'll put this in my kitchen, and that was $3 as well. Really pretty, and I love the red on the inside. And then I did pick up a couple of stickers. I picked up these foil stickers, and I figured this would be perfect for Valentine's Day Happy Mail. Stick them on envelopes, and they're like little postage stamps, and I just love the colors, especially the purple. And that was $1. And then I also picked up the Made with Love stickers. I really like these. I know we can make them, but these are just really cute ready-made, handmade ones, so I went ahead and grabbed those. And then last but not least, I did pick up the Wiggly Eyes, and I thought these were absolutely adorable, and I love the fact that they're stickers and you can just stick them on a project. And then it also comes with a few googly eyes as well, so really cute. All right, that is my Target haul. Thanks for stopping by my channel today. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.